Eric Darling here with Darling Data, and well, this video is going to be this is an easier one because I've scheduled this for a Friday. I'm not recording this on a Friday, but in the order that I'm recording videos today, this is also my Friday of video recording for the day. So I would also like an easy one where I don't have to talk a lot about anything particularly in depth. Much like on a real Friday, even though even though today is Monday and this is going out on a Friday, I am exhausted. I'm not going to say anything too goofy about Mondays or coffee or alarm clocks or any of that stuff because I don't know. The dawn don't wear shorts, as they say. So let's talk about inline index creation bugs in SQL Server, because this one's kind of funny. Because I reported this a long time ago, and no one has done anything about it. It exists to this day in SQL Server 2022. I don't know. Apparently, the summer interns were busy with other things. So let's have ourselves a time. If you like my channel and you have gotten sick of just the mere act of liking and commenting, and you've like subscribed all of your primary and alt YouTube accounts, one way that you can support the channel is to sign up for a membership. There is a link to do that in the description of the video, along with links to other things that you might find useful. I don't know. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. It all depends on how you click them, I guess. If you need help with your SQL Server, if it is in bad shape, if performance is not good, or things are going awful for some other reason, I'm pretty good at fixing it. Health checks, performance analysis, hands-on tuning, dealing with emergencies, training your developers so I don't have to deal with emergencies anymore. These are all things that I excel at. I already made an Excel joke in the video, so I'm not going to redo it here. You deserve better than that. I'm not going to go there. Don don't wear shorts. Yeah, my rates are reasonable, as always. If you want some very reasonably rated performance tuning content at the beginner, intermediate, or advanced /expert /crazy cuckoo brains, I can't believe you're going to do that with SQL Server level of training. You can get all mine. It's 24 hours of content for life for 75% off, which brings it to about $150 US. If you'd like to see me in person, this is where I'll be. On a Friday just like this one, September the 6th, I will be at Data Saturday Dallas doing all sorts of Data Saturday things. But on a Friday too, because Friday I have to teach a full day pre-con, and then Saturday will be the 7th, and that'll be Data Saturday Dallas. But it's all combined in there. And of course, November 4th and 5th, my birthdays, I will be at Past Data Summit in Seattle, co-hosting 2 bang 'em up, smash 'em up, hit 'em up days of SQL Server performance tuning content with the lovely and brilliant Kendra Little. So you should come see me at both of those. Now, without further ado, let's repartee. All right. No, I got to get my head under the party hat. Just in case this is the shot that YouTube picks for like the splash image for my video. I got to get my head under the party hat and make sure that's lined up. I really should find a party hat that maybe looks like it's on a head already. I don't know. I'm probably too lazy for that. We're just going to have fun now. All right. So here's the bug as it exists, and has existed ever since inline index creation syntax was created. Now, this is sort of fitting because I did recently write a video about complaining that you can't create a filtered index on a computed column, something like that. One of those videos, wild time, obviously, very memorable experience for all, where if you create a video, if you create a table. Oh, dear me. If you create a table that has a computed column in it, like this one, and it doesn't matter if you persist it or not, If you try to do this, SQL Server will say, you cannot do that. You cannot do that with that column. You are wrong to even try. This red text signifies your idiocy in the matter, your idiocy in the matter, and your illiteracy in reading the documentation. We can prove that doubly by adding the persisted keyword and starting this whole tragic experiment over again and trying to do this and being met with the same level of resistance from SQL Server where we cannot create that thing. But this is where things get real wild. If we create our table with this definition, right, we're gonna drop the table if it exists. We're going to create the same columns right here, and it doesn't matter if this one's persisted or not yet again, but we're going to inline the index creation syntax right here like this, right? See what we're doing? Very sneaky, very tricky. And if we create this table, this completes successfully. What? How dare you? What's going to happen next? You know what's going to happen next? Errors. Errors happen next. So if I run this query, and I don't call the crap column. I don't do anything where the definition of the crap column would be expanded, and I run this, I get these errors. Invalid column name crap over and over again. Even though I'm not selecting crap, I'm just selecting ID. And then down here, we says, cannot retrieve table data for the query operation because the table dbo.ohyeah schema is being altered too frequently. Because the table dbo.ohyeah contains a filtered index or filtered statistic, changes to this table... Oh, sorry, this is a long error message. I should bring that down a little bit. There we go. Get in there, baby. Yeah. Contains a filtered index or filtered statistics. Changes to the table schema require a refresh of all table data. Retry the query operation, not retrying. And if the problem persists, use SQL Server Profiler. Profiler. Use SQL Server Profiler, you say, to identify what schema-altering operations are occurring. Even if you just try to get a simple count of what's in the table, SQL Server will spittoon that same error message at you, and you will get all of that same awfulness in red text on the screen. Isn't that wild? Isn't that a weird bug? And just when you thought you were a bad developer. Someone got paid a lot of money for that. A lot of money. Someone is getting paid for that to this day. Someone is on the payroll for that. Someone got a generous grant of Microsoft stock for that. Someone's probably on a boat somewhere named Microsoft stock because of that. No, well, what can you do? Anyway, it's Friday. So am I. So are you. So are we. So let's get out of here. Let's go do something better with our lives, right? Even though I'm just pretending it's Friday and it's Monday, this is the end of my recording day. So. You have no idea how relieved I am. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I hope you learned something like you're maybe not that bad of a developer. I hope that you will like and subscribe and comment and membership and training and consulting me, so I don't get lonely. Anyway, there we go. I think that Microsoft should give me a generous grant for finding all the bugs that I do in SQL Server. There's no glory in reporting them aside from getting sometimes minor improvements made to the product, but sometimes they linger on for years and no one cares to do anything. So, you know, gotta take it as it comes, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go take a margarita as it comes, which is without triple sec or Cointreau, because those are gross They shouldn't be in your margarita. They make your teeth feel like they're wearing sweaters. To know better. You're a grown-up. Anyway, that's good for now. Thank you for watching.